Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload and optimize YouTube videos in a way that will help you get better local SEO. Now it's very important that we create an individual YouTube channel for each location. The purpose for this is because if, let's say, we're utilizing the same video for two different locations, we don't want them to be on the same YouTube channel. That just looks sloppy. We want to have dedicated YouTube channels for each location. Now, the fortunate thing is Google does allow us to create multiple YouTube channels from the same email address, so we can have one login and have access to all our different channels. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to create a new channel from your existing Gmail account. Now, right now I'm logged in with my Gmail account. Right here I'm in YouTube. And if you have a Gmail account, you basically automatically have a YouTube channel. So you can just go to youtube.com, signed into whatever Gmail account you're going to be using to manage helpwithyourinsuranceclaim.org. Then you're going to go ahead and click this little icon in the upper right corner here. And you can do this while you're home, right here in YouTube. Go ahead and click this little thing right here. Then you're going to go to settings on this menu with the little gear. Once you click settings, you'll see this button right here to add or manage your channel or channels. So go ahead and click that, and then you have the opportunity to create a new channel. Now you can just give it a name. So let's give it a name. That's a great name for a YouTube channel. And here we are. That was easy. Now what you can do is, you can upload videos to the channel, you can customize the channel. Now let me just say this right here is a very important step, customizing the channel. What you want to do is you want to add a logo image, you want to add some kind of background image. Now when you're adding these images, it's very important that you change the name of the files to contain the name of the city that you want to optimize for. So let's just, for example, say that I have a picture right here of my grandfather wearing a wig, and let's say I want to use this as the logo. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I'm doing Philadelphia, I would do Philly insurance adjuster, and just hit enter. And then I would just click this little thing here, and I would upload the photo. Where is that, Philly? Yeah, that looks good. That's a great YouTube channel logo right there. Okay, wow, that was great. So now that's good. Now what I want to do is I want to put a channel art. This can be any picture. You can even go to the website and literally just screenshot like this banner here. Just take a little screenshot of that. Now what we want to do is, where is that screenshot? It should be around here somewhere. Where is it? My Mac has been giving me issues where when I take a screenshot, it doesn't go to my desktop. There it is. Okay. Again, you want to give this a different name than the logo, but still something about Philadelphia. So Philadelphia, anything about insurance claims. And go ahead, save that, and then you'll upload that right here, add channel art. Now the reason we're giving these files names that are relevant to the city is because these are actually going to help us rank. Oh, oops, it's too small. It has to be at least 2,000 pixels. So let me just come in here and adjust the size here. There we go. It's going to be pixelated, but this is just an example, so it doesn't matter. I'm just showing you what you would do. You would need to take a bigger screenshot. Just going to upload the picture for me. Wow, that looks so beautiful. Let's do it. And then it'll save, and eventually it'll be in there. It might take some time also for like your oh, there we go. There's the logo and the banner. And again, the main purpose for these images is for SEO purposes. You can mess around with these to get them to look good as you want. The next thing we want to do is about. This is also very important. So the location of the business, of course, we're in the United States. Make sure to put that. And then links. This is also very important. You want to put a link to your website. So if this is the Philadelphia website landing page, that you want to link to the Philadelphia landing page right here. Whatever, you give it a title, like Philly Insurance Adjusters. Give it a title that contains a key phrase with the city, and then the URL. Whatever the name of that landing page is, then click done. Then the channel description. This is also very important. You're going to want to put a little, basically you can copy and paste whatever the about little thing is here from the landing page. Of course, like I went over in the landing page video, you want to make sure that the landing page contains the name of the city all over the place. And it's also best if you create unique content for each landing page. So the best thing to do would just be to totally rewrite this paragraph specific to each city. But if you can't do that, just make sure to insert the name of the city somewhere. So you're going to go ahead and put that in your YouTube about and click done. And that's pretty much it for that. The next thing you're going to do is just upload a video. Now, the video, again, what you want to make sure is that the video file. So let's see. I have a video right here. This video, I'm going to name it something that again has a keyword in it. So Philadelphia Philadelphia insurance claims. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to YouTube. I'm going to click this little icon here with the video camera with the plus. I'm going to upload a video, and I'm going to. Oh, I don't want to learn more. I'm just going to drag and drop the file right there. And it's going to upload. You're going to give it a name, and the name can be different than the title, but make sure it contains the city and some kind of thing that's relevant to the service you're offering. So this is a great title right here. And then the description. This is also very important. The description is going to help you rank. So what you're going to do is you're going to just take the title. You're going to put it in there. You're going to put a little pipe symbol. And then you're going to copy and paste your URL of the landing page. And you're going to put it right here. Okay? This is very important. This will automatically give you an incoming link. Then you're going to come down a few spaces and write a description. And this description, again, it has to contain the city name and various different key phrases. So whatever people might be searching for, you know, vandalism, theft insurance adjuster, roof leak insurance adjuster, broken pipe, all the different things that are on this website and the services you offer, but make sure that you put the city in there too. So like Philadelphia fire insurance claim adjuster. Somehow fit these words into the description without making it sound too spammy, but it's okay to make it sound a little spammy. And I would pick maybe 2 or 3 of the most prominent keywords that have to do with the video, because we want this description to be relevant to the video. We don't want it to be complete nonsense where the video has nothing to do with that. If somebody in the video is talking specifically about flood damage, then put flood damage. If they're talking specifically about fire damage, then put fire damage. Use your discretion. Use your discretion. That is that's something that you can do. Um, Now, when you're done with this description here, I would make it like maybe like about a paragraph and a half or whatever, and then you're gonna do this. You're gonna watch the video. This is gonna take a little time. You're gonna watch through the whole video, which we can watch right here, and so this video is basically just showing a fleet of trucks, for a company. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch the video and we're going to take note at certain topics that might come up in the video, and then we're going to timestamp them. So let's say this is a video about a fleet of trucks in Philadelphia. Of course, for your business, it would be insurance adjuster or flood insurance adjuster in Philadelphia. When you hear the person in the video say that, you're going to create a timestamp. So let's say he says it 30 seconds into the video. 30 seconds in, you're going to put Philly insurance adjuster. And if he says something else, maybe at 45 seconds, that's a relevant key phrase that somebody might be searching for. Like let's say Philadelphia flood, something like that. And you're going to put as many relevant timestamps as you can into this video. The reason for that is because every time we create a timestamp, it actually creates a little link, a little hyperlink in here. And so you're going to have hyperlinks associated with this video that have this key phrase. So do as many relevant ones as you can. Don't do any spam. It's okay. It's okay if you can't find any also, but they do help a lot. So that's why I'm telling you about this. Then the thumbnail. You can, and I recommend if you have the time to set up your channel so that you can learn more about that here, this little link. If you set up your channel a certain way, you can create custom thumbnails. Now, if you do choose to create, you don't have to create custom thumbnails. If you do choose to create custom thumbnails, again, you're going to want to use a picture that has a key phrase in the image title. So if it's Philadelphia Insurance Adjuster, you're going to go ahead and name the title of the thumbnail that. A playlist, it's good to have videos in playlists. Of course, if you only have 1 or 2 videos, it doesn't matter if it's in a playlist, but let's say you get to the point where you have like 20 videos on a channel, and some are testimonials and some are informative. Then you would create playlists, and the playlists again would need to have the relevant key phrases in there. So let's say Philadelphia Insurance Adjuster Testimonials. That would be the name of the playlist, and then you put all the testimonials in that playlist. If it's just something else, then make the playlist, give it the appropriate title. For right now, we don't have any playlists, but you can create one right here. So let's just call it Philadelphia Insurance Adjusters, okay? And I'll just create that playlist and we'll add the video there for that, for example's sake. Is it made for kids? This gets hairy. No, it's not made for kids. Always click no. And then go ahead and click more options. Right here, these tags. This is also very important for SEO. You're going to tag your video with as many relevant key phrases as you can think of that have to do with the city. So Philadelphia Insurance Adjuster, Philly Insurance Adjuster. Philadelphia Flood Insurance Claim Adjuster. Think of as many variations as you can fit here. You can only have 500 characters, and put them in and separate them by a comma. Then go ahead and select the language of the video, which would always be, for this business, Chinese, of course. No, I'm joking. English. Where's our English? Here it is. Then you're going to go ahead and click let me think here. Go ahead and click none. Click none for this. Click none. Now this is also very important. The video location. Always put the city. So this place, in this case, Philadelphia, PA. That's very important. Allow embedding. Allow all these things. Now category, it doesn't really matter that much, but I would make it relevant. So, you know, obviously they're very broad categories. So, I don't even know which one I would put for this. Maybe like news and politics or something. Maybe not. Use your discretion. And then you're going to go ahead and click next. Right here, add an end screen. Later on, when you get more videos, you can actually have like a little subscribe button that people can add. So like you could add a subscribe button at the end of the video where it prompts people to subscribe. You can add another element. Let's see, you can add another video, your most recent video or any video you want. I recommend doing this when you get more videos. I recommend adding a subscribe button and a view most recent video at the end. Maybe another testimonial that people can click on. This will encourage people to not only stay on your YouTube channel, but it will also allow them to have a better chance of going to your website. Then you're going to go ahead and click save. Cards, these are the little pop-ups that flash up in the middle of videos. So let's say at like 15 seconds in, I want to put a card. So I'll go ahead and put a video in here. A video, usually this will show you all your YouTube videos. We don't have any yet, so I'll put that video in here, and then you could put a message. Let's say this is another testimonial that you advertise for. Say like a woman saves like $5,000 with insurance claim adjuster or something, like $5,000. I know that's ridiculous, right? $5,000 $5,000 $5,000 insurance adjustment, or don't you could make them short as possible. You know. And so now what's going to happen if 15 seconds in, this is going to pop up on the screen. So you can see it pops up. Oh, I guess it doesn't pop up in this preview here, but it will in the live video. Okay, so all changes are saved. Okay, and so now you're going to go back to edit the video. And you're going to go ahead and make it so that it is a public video. Which is somewhere. Huh. This is weird. I can't find what I'm looking for right here. Oh, here we go. That's why. It's in a draft state. You have to click edit draft, then go ahead and click next. Go ahead and click next. And then you're going to make it public. Everybody can see this video. And that's it. You're going to click publish. and now the video is published. So again, this is what you're going to do. I went over creating a new YouTube channel, as well as creating a video for that channel. And now every time you create a video for Philadelphia, you're going to do it to the Philadelphia channel. Now the way you switch channels is really you just come here and you go to switch account, and it will have all the different accounts that you have under this email address. So for Philadelphia, I'll always go to this account. For Denver, Colorado, you go to the Denver, Colorado account. And for each account, you're going to set it up the way I just showed you. Let me know if you have any other questions. You should always share this video on social media. If you're using Facebook, if you're using Twitter, you might as well share it on there. And that's it. Let me know if you have any other questions.